In this video, we will talk about Power BI. So Power BI is an integral part of Microsoft Fabric, and Microsoft Fabric is built on top of Power BI services. So when you log into Power BI services, you automatically get all the features of Microsoft Fabric. You just have to be the required license. So here you can see various items are available within Power BI section, that is report, paginated report, dashboard. So if you are already familiar with Power BI, then there is no changes. Only few updates are there, like Git integration and direct lake mode, and some new features have been added like calculation group and semantic models. So basically, if you want to create a report, you can either create it into Power BI services, or you can use Power BI desktop app to create new reports. If you are new to Power BI, then you can simply install Power BI desktop app from Microsoft Store and create a report there, and later you can publish it to Microsoft Fabric, or you can say Microsoft Power BI services. Both are same. So once your reports are ready, then there is options for in the Microsoft Fabric there are options for version controlling, keeping the backup of your file, and track the changes. These thing you can do using Fabric Git integration. It's a feature where you can integrate your workspace with either a GitHub or GitHub account or DevOps account. And there is also a new mode. Earlier we have the import mode and direct query mode, but now we have a new direct lake mode, which get the data from the one lake where your data has been stored, and you can directly use it. It will solve the problem of getting the real-time data as well as faster performance. So both the things of both the benefits you will get here. So this is all about the Power BI and Microsoft Fabric.